Ngenza kwethu neyaphila. Sisekuyokeleka Santaco KZN. Indaba ke eyivelayo nje bafowethu zithu Santaco ususikhiphile statement malungana no double circulator einkundleni lokuthi bona basabisa abantu mayelana nokugibeza izihlobo zabo. Right, ngizoyifunda njengoba ibhaliwe le. It's a media statement for immediate release ereleaswe mhla 17 August 2025. Santaco KZN induces misleading information on private vehicle passenger restrictions. That is their heading. All right, ngizoyifunda njengoba ibhaliwe singise ke nama kusona sakithi angifundi nengikhulumela emathandaweni. Ithi lena, the South African National Taxi Council in KwaZulu-Natal okuyena Santaco ke lesikhuluma ngawo makhona abangazi Santaco ukuthi uchaza. The South African National Taxi Council in KZN in leng phazamisayo la. All right, has noted with serious concern the circulation false and misleading information suggesting that Santaco is enforcing limits on the number of passengers that private vehicles are allowed to carry. The South African Taxi Council KwaZulu-Natal has noted with the serious concern the circulation of false and misleading information suggesting that Santaco is enforcing limits on the number of passengers that private vehicles are allowed to carry. We categorically state that the claims are completely false and have no basis in fact. Santaco is not a law enforcement agency and does not have the authority to impose or enforce regulations on private vehicles or motorists. Kusho uSantaco. Santaco is a recognized apex structure as affirmed by the 2020 National Taxi mandated to oversee and coordinate coordinate affiliated taxi structures. This includes minibuses, taxis, meter taxis, and independent scholar transport operators. Our role is to promote a safe, reliable, and regulated public transport service with the framework of the South African Constitution and applicable legislation. Nixole mangifunda ngathi ngiyabala it is because into yabi incane kakhulu so kumele ukuthi ngiyizume so iyaphela ngapha kwefoni funa mangifunda lokho ngihambisa. That is why ngizwa ngathi ngibuye ngibe namalokhu ngani nama pauses. We urge members of the public to refrain from spreading or believing unverified information, particularly on social media, as it may incite unnecessary panic and confusion. Santaco remains committed to operating transparently and lawfully in the interest of all transport users and stakeholders. We urge members of public to refrain from spreading or believing unverified information, particularly on social media, as it may incite unnecessary panic and confusion. Santaco remains committed and operating transparently and lawfully in the interest of all transport users and stakeholders. Issued by Santaco KZN Communications. Sithi ke lapha phansi safety unit peace and prosperity in the taxi industry. Yayisibhala ke yaqala ke ngamagama ngoChairperson ubaba uBoyzondi kwahle kanjalo right. Bafowethu uSantaco ususikhiphile statement nasi uthi uSantaco ucela ukuthi abantu bewaqaphele lama rumors aseculathayo ukuthi bona banqumela abantu beyimoto ezincane ukuthi abathatha isibalo singakanani sabantu bona abakwazi lokho futhi abahlangene nalokho bona abawona umthetho wase South Africa but nabo basebenza ngokulandela umthetho obekiwe kwa transport. Right, ithi into ke bafowethu siyasithola impela statement si right futhi siyezwakala nje siqondile ingubeke kanjalo. Sicabanga ukuthi ke lento umphakathi weSouth Africa ithini kithi? Ithi akekho kumuntu olindelekile ukuthi etholakala evimba imoto emgwaqeni. Evimba imoto ihambela engakaza iphika umuntu. Evimba imoto ihambela ayivimbe athi ufuna ukubala abantu ebaphethe ukuthi njengoba nje wena uyifortuna unabantu abawu7 ubasaphi. Uthi uSanta khona ukwazi lokho. Kusho ukuthi umuntu oyokuvimba emgwaqeni ethi yena uqhamuka ekhumbini noma uqhamuka erenke noma uqhamuka kwaSantakho kuyobe kuyisigebengu leso ungenza noma yini ngaso ngoba mhlambe kube kuyisigebengu esiyobe sifuna ukuvimba imoto ukuphuca imoto akushiwo ke uSantakho ukuthi ungenza noma yini kushiwo yimi ukuthi kusho ukuthi umuntu ngoba zikhona izigebengu ezizoqhamuka zifuna ukuzothi kini ziwuSantakho ngoba ziyazi nizosaba kanti isigebengu sifuna ukuphuca imoto. Lapho ke ubale kungabheke emuva ngisho ngabale kuziyongena epolice station mawuna indlela ukuyivikela ngisho ngayivikela ngoba uSantakho usukuvezile ukuthi wona awukukho lapho ke wathi khona ukalela abantu isibalo sabantu okumele ubathathe inoma imoto encane itholakale ibaphethe. Basho njalo bona ngokwabo. Basho njalo bona ngokwabo. Bathi akekho umuntu onelungelo. Ngifuna ke nizwe kahle le mphakathi. Angisho mina ukuthi ngithi nina ninelungelo kuhambe nihundela abantu ake ngubeke nje kanjalo ukuthi nina ninelungelo kuhambe nihundela abantu emgwaqeni ngoba bese nithi wathi uSantakho asingabalelwa abantu. Sikhuluma ngeincident la yokuthi ngiqhamukele eMntuba nje ngiyayihamba ngibheke eThekwini ngisuka la eMntuba ngibheke eThekwini. Mangifika mhlambe let's say ngizokwenza isibonelo lese ngifika empangeni ngiza iexample ngempangeni ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu osempangeni ngeke akwazi ukungibona mangifika umuntu eMntuba so obvious mayengivimba akangivimbeli ukuthi ungibone ngifika umuntu but ungivimba ngoba unenhloso. Mhlambe mangisuka mase ngidlula nje empangeni mhlambe la emagarage esikhawini bese ngimiswa imoto ithi mfowethu uyaphila ngiyaphila ubhekephi ngithi mangibheke eThekwini athi phola abantu abalayishile ubasaphi ngithi ngiyana beThekwini ngoba wena uhamba ngemoto ukuthi awukwazi ukulayisha labantu. Ngikhuluma ngento kanjalo mina. Angikhulumi ukuthi nina nizohambe nihundela abantu emgwaqeni bese nithi kwathi uSantakho anihlangene. Cha ngikusho lokho. Angikusho lokho. Asiqhubekeni bafowethu sihloniphe imboni kodwa asingayitholi nathi siyabantu sesingakwazi ukuphila nemindeni yethu bese kuzoba nenkulumo ethi imboni esho lokho. Ukuyihlonipha asiyihlonipheni. Kufanele sibahloniphe emsebenzini wabo besihloniphe nabemsebenzini yethu ukuze kuphiliswane. Kodwa senzela lento yokuthi kungagcini kuba ngazuthi imboni kunamagama ewakhiphile athi kuzoshiswa izimoto zabantu ezincane zibulawe uma ngabe betholakala ngoba kunomehluko ukuficwa abantu bemboni ulayisha abantu. Kunomehluko nokuyiphumela nezingane zami egcekeni ngibheke nazo eThekwini bese wena uyangivimba uthi angiyidilize. Kunomehluko. But ke ingane zakwethu istatement esikhishwe uSantakho ke 17 city akekho umuntu onelungelo lokuvimba omunye umuntu ambalisa abantu athi akagibeza abantu ababili noma abathathu. Right ke laba abese bekwenza abakiyeke ngoba mina senginawo ama proof abanye nje babanjwe izolo ePiet Retief athi Piet Retief angazi Piet Retief noma kuphi kodwa ke ngoba manje le ithi Santakho KZN iPiet Retief is another province I think efolana Mpumalanga cabanga ukuthi isuke sifuna ukufolana Mpumalanga but nje ke ngoba inhloso akusikhona ukuthi kuphanjwa ngembono ukuthi kuphiliswane ithi into loSantakho uthi akekho umuntu onelungelo lokuvimbela omunye umuntu emgwaqeni ambalela abantu ukuthi unabantu abangaki. Hayi ukuthi kuthiwa hambani yohundela abantu emgwaqeni nasemadolobheni akushiwo lokho kodwa angikwazi ukuyiphumela ekhaya nezingane zami bese ufika uyayidiliza uthi aziyongena erank ilokho uthi uSantakho awukwazi wona ilokho